Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we're unboxing my new iPhone XS Max. So I got this in gold and I was really looking forward to it as a slightly larger version of the phone I'm currently using, which is the iPhone X, and I was hoping that it would be kind of a more refined version of it. So let's see what's in the box. First is, the usual manual, stickers, and SIM ejector tool. And then we have the phone, which I ordered in 256 gig gold. And it's not so much a annoying gold, it's kind of more like a bronze, and it looks really good in person. So I like it a lot. Now the phone is the same as the iPhone X really. No big differences other than the size as far as the external appearance goes. And that's about it for the phone. So the accessories that come with it are the usual 5-watt slow charger, lightning headphones with no 3.5mm adapter, and a lightning USB cable. So if you want to compare here my iPhone X next to the XS Max, you can see that it seems like it's just slightly larger, but when you hold it and you use it, I've been using it for a few days now, it is actually much larger. So the biggest issue for me is reachability. So to reach the notifications and the control center, I had to turn on the assistance feature where you can swipe your thumb on the bottom to help you reach the top corners. But once you have that enabled, reading content is really nice on it, and overall it's a great phone to use. The most interesting thing to me is going to be the camera and what kind of improvements are apparent. So if you want to check out the camera comparison, I'll have it uploaded in a bit, and we'll look in depth on that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.